Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are trading without smart money concept, then you are missing out on some of the most powerful breakout signals. Well, in this video, we're just going to be diving into the SMB Indicator. It's quite a powerful tool that identifies smart money breakouts using CHoCH and BOS. Remember that CHoCH stands for change of character, while the BOS stands for break of structure. Okay, so now let us just quickly add the SMB indicator to the chart right away. All right. Okay, the smart money breakouts indicator. Here we go. Okay, now this is one of the best ways to track market structure shifts and trade in sync with the big players. But before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on powerful trading strategies like this. Okay, now the SMB stands for Smart Money Breakouts. Okay, for the purpose of this video, we're looking at this indicator, and this indicator is designed to detect when smart money is making its move. Okay, it automatically identifies CHoCH. You can see this is change of character. Automatically identifies change of character and break of structure, which is BOS. It identifies these important levels to help traders anticipate market direction shifts. All right. So the CHoCH marks the first sign. The CHoCH marks the first sign of a potential trend reversal, while the BOS confirms that a new trend is forming. So these signals allow traders to enter the market at the right moment before big moves happen. With this indicator, you can avoid weak signals and focus on the breakouts that actually matter. So what exactly are the CHoCH and the BOS, and why are they important? Well, CHoCH means change of character, and it appears when price breaks a minor structure level, signaling a potential reversal. All right, so this is your early warning that smart money may be shifting direction. Then the BOS, meaning break of structure, confirms the new trend by breaking a major support or resistance level. So this is where smart money commits to the move, making it a high probability breakout zone. Now, by understanding these two key signals, you can enter trades at optimal points and avoid getting caught in fake outs. Now, let's just quickly talk about the settings. The SMB indicator can be adjusted based on your trading style, whether you are scalping, day trading, or swing trading. For short-term trades, you can use, a lower sensitivity setting to capture quick structure shifts. For higher time frames, you can actually increase the sensitivity to focus on major market reversals, right? You can also combine the SMB indicator with volume or liquidity zones to further confirm smart money activity. All right. Okay. So when using this indicator, you just have to pay attention to the BOS levels and the CHoCH levels. All right. So when a change of character has happened, you need to Pay attention to price activity that takes place after that, right? For example, here that we saw price breaking out of this particular zone highlighted, this was an opportunity to sell because one is that the trend was already in a sell, was already bearish, right? It was already bearish. So this was just more like a confirmation, a continuation after this consolidation that took place, right? So this was just more like a continuation pattern. So this would have been a great place to enter a sell. Stop loss can be above the swing high, right? Take profit can be at, key support zones. You can see the indicator even gave us a possible target, right? And then we can see that we also have the indicator. This smart money breakout also gives us precise sell signals. You can see sell here, you can see sell here, you can see sell here. All right, that's for the case of a sell trend. But you can see now this is a buy trend. You can see the precise buy signal here. You can see precise buy signal here, buy signal here. Change of character, a good place to enter a buy trade. You can see BOS, a good place to enter a buy trade, right? And then your target was somewhere around here. So basically just pay attention to the structure, pay attention to market structure shifts, pay attention to your candlestick patterns and ensure that whatever trade you are entering, it aligns with the overall market structure. Okay, just make sure that your trades aligns with the overall market structure. In as much as this indicator gives you buy signals and sell signals in addition to the BOS and CHoCH identifications, you should also make sure that your trades always align with the general market structure. Okay, it's very important. It's very important. Ensure that you always use good risk management. Do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and ensure that your risk to reward ratios are always good. For example, if you are entering a buy trade after you get this confirmation and signal, if you're setting your stop loss below the previous swing low and your take profit is, let's say, at a key resistance, just ensure that your risk to reward ratio is good enough before you even enter the trade, right? Get your risk to reward ratio be at least 1:2. Okay, so if you don't have a good risk to reward ratio, you can just skip the trade, okay, to be on the safer side. So there you have it. The SMB indicator is a must-have tool for smart money trading, helping you catch early trend shifts and confirm breakouts with CHoCH and BOS. So what do you think about this indicator? Will you be adding it to your trading setup? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more powerful trading strategies and tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.